Good morning. It's Monday, January 25th, and hopefully you're into chapter 2, trying to understand it. There's basically two parts of it. The chemistry part of it, basic chemistry, pH, enzymes, atoms, molecules, different types of bonds. And then the second part is going to give you information about your nutrients, the macromolecules made up of carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. It's a challenging chapter for people who haven't had chemistry before, as you probably are aware. So please contact me if you want help with any part of this. There is no lab this week, but next week for the cell there are 2 long labs due, so I suggest you get started this week. Lab on campus would be 3 hours. You're expected to spend about 4 hours a week filling out each lab and going through the lab materials at Visible Body. Make sure you watch the narrated PowerPoints. There are extra videos in there, and if you haven't used the dynamic study modules yet, be sure you access those at Pearson. They are wonderful, and you can do those on your phone. So you need to post to the chemistry forum this week. There's the lab link to Visible Body. Again, no lab due this week, but next week there are 2. And here are the chapter 2 narrated PowerPoints. The outline, that always helps to print that out. And then once you've gone over the narrated PowerPoint related to one module on that outline, then you look at the outline and make sure you understand everything on that outline. Make sure you're taking notes as you watch those narrated PowerPoints, and take notes as you read the textbook. It's the best way for learning. Lots of videos here. Chemistry Quizlet, the Chapter 2 Things to Know, and then finally the Chapter 2 test on January 29th. Again, no lab this week. Labs 2 and 3 are both on cells, cell function, and life cycle. Both are due next week, but I strongly suggest that you begin the lab work this week. Please let me know if you need help. We can meet very easily on Zoom and spend 20 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever you need. Once you've gone over that material and you've got some questions, it's hard to even ask questions if you haven't started looking at that material yet. So your goal is to read the chapter at least twice, go through the narrated PowerPoints, get your homework and quiz done, and contact me if you have any questions whatsoever. Good luck this week, and I hope to see you at a Zoom should you need some assistance. Bye-bye.